Over the years, Turkey has developed a vast variety of lethally armed drones. These developments have been from large high-flying bomb-laden ones to very small low-flying ones. And they all are amusing. Hello. And welcome back to Drone Diary. In this video, we will be talking about Turkish combat drones. Before we start, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And press the bell icon for more updates. Previously, Turkey has been relying on Israeli drones to fight Kurdish armed groups. But from the mid-2010s, it began producing its drones after the US rejected to sell armed drones to Turkey. The new drones have been tested in Turkey, Iraq, and Syria against Kurdish militants. The drones gained recognition when the videos of drone attacks were shared. In recent years, there has been a development of the impressive local drone industry in Turkey. The development of ground-up armed Turkish-built Bayraktar TB2 and Anka-S drones has turned out to be massive for Turkey. The operations in Iraq, Syria, Libya, and areas as far as Azerbaijan has shown how strong Turkey is in combat and operations. Presently, Turkey is building a wide range of bigger and smaller drones with a vision of fulfilling the various roles of the Turkish military. Did you know that last year in September, Turkey's Aksungur drone built by TAI finished a test flight of 28 hours? It carried 2 Turkish-built MAM-L, smart micromunition, guided missiles under its wings. And that is massive. It was much bigger load Bayraktar TB2 or Anka-S carries. Let's talk about MAM-L missiles that weigh 22 kilograms and it is capable of hitting targets that are up to 14 kilometers away. MAM-L missiles can be fitted with different kinds of warheads like high explosives and even warheads that can penetrate tank armor. Whoa! These missiles have proved their worth during the February to March drone campaign that was held against Syria and Idlib. They were used by Turkish Bayraktar TB2s and Anka-S drones against several Syrian tanks and other vehicles. Have you heard about Aksungur? It was the first drone to drop a Mark 82 general-purpose bomb attached to a Turkish-built TEBA guidance kit. This kit converts dumb conventional bombs into precision-guided smart bombs. Isn't that interesting? Do you know that the Bayraktar Akinci turboprop drone is huge with a 65 feet wingspan? It can carry MAM-L munitions and even Mark 82 and long-range Turkish-built air-launched Roketsan cruise missiles. Akinci is Turkey's main aerial vehicle for intelligence surveillance target acquisition, ISTAR, and command control communication, C3, tasks. Turkey's Roketsan arms manufacturer has built a new surface-to-surface missile called the 230mm TRGL-230. Considering the size of these drones, it can be said that they are lethal in more close-quarters combat. If we talk about the Kargu-2 loitering munition, it is designed to operate in swarms of 20 that can devastate their targets. The Turkish military has acquired a huge number of these suicide drones. These tiny drones can be recalled by the operators to be used for another time. They can also be fitted with 3 different kinds of warheads, a basic high-explosive fragmentation warhead, a shape-charged warhead, and a thermometric warhead for attacks against enemy targets in enclosed spaces. Large 2 can also operate autonomously using computers and it can stay airborne for 30 minutes and can run at the speed of up to 90 miles per hour. It is said that they also possess facial recognition technology. Isn't that amusing? This will make them effective in locating, identify and assassinate the selected enemy. These drones have been used to target senior members of the Kurdistan Workers' Party, PKK, 2018. Kargu-2s, especially ones operating in swarms, could well make this assassination campaign even more deadly given the drone's capability of searching for individual PKK members in their mountain redoubts in Iraqi Kurdistan and potentially even inside caves there too. There has also been the development of a super lightweight loitering munition called the Alpine. A single soldier can carry and operate this drone during the war. They can also be carried on multiple launchers. It has a fast speed and it possesses the ability to damage to a huge extent. Over the years, with the increase of Turkish military drones, Turkey has rivaled China's drones, which has shaken the military balance of power in the Caucasus, Middle East, and North Africa. It has been a huge challenge to the market of China, Israel, and the US. The combat drones developed by Turkey are no doubt amusing and possess great destructive capabilities. These drones portray the capability of Turkey on the battlefield. We hope that you found this video interesting and informative. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do let us know which country do you want us to cover next.